Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi R8 Foxzie. First, you need to identify the specific game or platform where this special edition vehicle is available. Next, check for any ongoing special events or limited-time offers that might make it easier to acquire. Finally, understand the in-game currency or specific requirements needed to add it to your collection. There are several ways to acquire the Audi R8 Foxzie. You might be able to purchase it directly from the in-game store using virtual currency, which could be around 500,000 credits. Alternatively, completing specific challenges or missions within the game often unlocks exclusive vehicles. Participating in special events or competitions also offers a chance to earn it as a valuable reward. To successfully get the Audi R8 Foxzie, ensure you meet all prerequisites. This often includes having a certain amount of in-game currency, perhaps 500,000 credits, or reaching a specific player level. Focus on completing daily quests and participating in events to accumulate resources efficiently. Joining a community or guild can also provide valuable tips and potential trading opportunities. Once you've acquired the Audi R8 Foxzie, you can access it from your in-game garage or inventory. Take time to explore the various customization options available, from paint colors to performance upgrades, to truly personalize your vehicle. Then, utilize its unique performance attributes in races, challenges, or free roam to fully enjoy your new acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.